Developing now, former President Trump is criticizing the Justice Department now after news that the Attorney General has appointed a special counsel to lead the criminal investigations now surrounding him. The move comes days after Trump announced his 2024 presidential bid. CBS 4's Bradley Blackburn has more.
Jack Smith is the veteran prosecutor who will now take charge of the Justice Department's investigations into former President Donald Trump. Attorney General Merrick Garland said the appointment is the best choice now that Trump has announced his third bid for the White House and President Biden has said he intends to run.
The Department of Justice has long recognized that in certain extraordinary cases, it is in the public interest to appoint a special prosecutor to independently manage an investigation and prosecution.
Smith takes the lead on the investigation into Trump's handling of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago, as well as separate probes into January 6th and efforts to overturn the 2020 election. In a statement, he said he intends to conduct the investigations independently, adding the pace will not pause or flag under his watch.
This decision takes a lot of the politics out of it. He's appointed a long-time career prosecutor, highly respected, very experienced.
This horrendous abuse of power is the latest in a long series of witch hunts.
Speaking at Mar-a-Lago Friday night, Trump called it rigged and said it will not be a fair investigation.
That's all they can think about. That's all they have in their mind is come after Trump. We got to get Trump. They say they want to run against me, but they're spending fortunes. Let's take him out.
We are not involved.
The White House stressed they do not politicize the Department of Justice and said President Biden was not informed or aware of the appointment of a special counsel. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
Well, that special counsel is starting work immediately, we're told. Separately here, House Republicans promised their own investigation into the Biden administration and the president's son, Hunter Biden. They say it will start when they take control of the House next year.